say the world is yours, the world is yours. Give all you have to give. The world is yours, the world is yours. I tried to break free, you tried to keep me bound. I tried to live right, you tried to keep me down. But now I'm going up, I'm moving higher than anywhere that I've been before. I'm flying, man. It's kinda crazy, like my feet are lifting off the ground. I'm touching heaven with my hands now to get the sound. But though I'm flying, my head is still level, and I won't be bound down to hear the whispers of the devil. Now the future is here, and it looks real bright, and it can be yours too if you set your path right. I know life can be hard, but you were put here to win. Just refuse to quit when you're down and get back up again. Man, I used to rap my music from my tiny bedroom, and though I dreamt of being free, I felt trapped like in a tomb. And even though the times are dark and I could barely even see through all the tears, I sit and pen, weave out my destiny. But now the days are gone where I would listen to the critics who counted me out before they ran the proper analytics. I'm here to stay, just like a necklace waiting to be pearled, and I'm throwing up the chorus as I'm singing with the world. Live free, dream big, and see that the world is yours, the world is yours. Give all you have to give, 'cause the world is yours, the world is yours. You should be careful who you listen to, who watch all of the things you do. I hate to break it to you, not everyone wants the best for you. Who try to take the dream inside you, they see they're flat out jealous and envy all the things you will be. Yeah, just hold your head up, man, and keep on moving on. If I would've never struggled, then I wouldn't have this song. But don't get me wrong, no need to stack up your strife. You gotta watch the ones who you let speak straight into your life. 'Cause the artists, they will sing you all their fancy little songs with the funny little beats and all the catchy sing-alongs. But the messages they give are not the kind you should be fed. It's a recipe of lies that try to get stuck in your head. Man, I see some rappers sold their souls, I won't be selling mine. No need to find a source when you're eating from the vine. You thought that I was done, but now I'm leaving you behind. Wouldn't say I deserve it, but I'm here to get what's mine. Live free, dream big, and see that the world is yours, the world is yours. Give all you have to give, 'cause the world is yours, the world is yours. Live good, live right, no fear tonight. The world is yours, the world is yours. And just stay true, fight on, stay you. The world is yours, the world is yours. Look up, live free, dream big, and see that the world is yours, the world is yours. Give all you have to give, 'cause the world is yours, the world is yours. I realized for something great I was created. Music's my life, and for a long time I have waited to break free and live the life that I can see. As my dreams come to life, just fighting to be me. Yeah, I believe in something greater than self. I believe there's more to live in life than trying to get wealth. More than life than simply working hard to only get by. More than death than what we think when every one of us dies. There's more around than we can see, not caught by the eye. See, I might have started walking, but I was born to fly. World, it might have clipped my wings, but that don't mean I don't try. My feet, they might be on the ground, but my head's in the sky. Got a dream in my heart and a gleam in my eye. Dropping beats from my birth till the day that I die. And though life is hard, I always keep my face to the sky. Looking up to heaven, knowing everything will be fine. I've made up my mind, my life is decided. Man, I write the words and in me, music simply provided. I'd like to take the credit, but I know that I'm guided. Now every track blows up like two trains that collided, you know. I wasn't simply created to live a life underrated, to trip and fall in a system, to live a life full of hatred, to blindly agree, pay all your dues. Man, you better be careful, 'cause there's a whole lot to lose. The world's an evil place, and man, it's easy to use it. That's why half the time I stay low and I keep on my music. But like everything else, I'm careful not to abuse it, so that I'm not caught in the hot, give up my love or lose it. And now I realize for something great I was created. Music's my life, and for a long time I have waited mean, time to set it back on track. But every time I try to rise again, I find that I'm a plunder and attack. People crying out because they want something fresh, but the music is dead, girls just show flesh. I want something with meaning, so I'll rise and protest. I'm fed up living life with all the things that I detest. And now everybody's fake, almost no one's real. And I don't even care about a signed record deal. Living life so large, man, it's almost unreal. I tell it like it is, it's just the way I feel. And now young kids give it up, throw their lives away, all because they listen to the stupid things we say. But then they grow up and they learn and they pray, and rehabilitation costs $1 billion a day. I'm tired of hearing that I cannot be free. I'm tired of hearing that I shouldn't even wanna be me. People still are having problems with the color of my skin. Hey, but I'm okay, I take it on the chin. Man, this is life,